Hello everyone, so this is a throwback against with 2 years with FIDE candidates here between Grandmaster Alexander Goroshkina in Russia faces by with Grandmaster in China Lei Yingqi. So it means this is a more brilliant against throwback with the last round number 10 within 2024. So it means the black pieces was brilliant sacrifice here. So it means later with FIDE candidates 2026 we did listed by 8 members with women's Swiss here. So look at the pictures here. So this is eight members here. So later we started by FIDE candidates 2026. So it means without at the back with throwback between Goroshkina versus Lei. So with a battle of this one with games here. So let's study up this play chess here. The first throwback here within 2 years with FIDE candidates 2024 here. So without between with white pieces Grandmaster Alexander Goroshkina in Russia versus by black pieces Grandmaster China Lei Yingqi here. So this is a more throwbacks here with the start of this one with standard of this games here. So d4 by Goroshkina, knight f6 by Lei, c4, c6 slap Indian defense here, and also knight c3, pawn to d5 slap defense. So it means without slap defense, captured by Goroshkina, takes by Lei, and also bishop f4, knight c6 with Lei, and also pawn e3 with Goroshkina by next of bishop to b5. So this is the next move here. So without bishop b5 here, and also bishop f5 with Lei, bishop b5, good move. So with that good move here, with book lines here, with that idea, with bishop threats the knights and pinning the kings here. So this is a check here. And also pawn to e6 with Lei by next bishop to b4. So this is a next move here. And also knight f3 by next castling with plain castling. So next castling with Goroshkina here. And also knight d7 with Lei by next maneuvers knight to b6 here. So this is a next maneuver here. And also castle kingside with Goroshkina, rook c8 with Lei by next of this one with below rook c5. So this is a more of this one with pushes positional pins here. And also knight e5, very strong move. So this is a more of this one with counters with double knights here. Knight takes captured with Lei, bishop takes with Goroshkina. So this is a attacks this one. So it means cannot move up knight captured bishop. So this is a threatening the pins with check. So this is a more threats here. And also a6 with Lei attacks the bishop with bishop captured accepted with check. Rook takes captured, and also rook c1 defense of these knights here. And also pawn f6 with Lei attacks the bishop backwards with bishop with Goroshkina, and also bishop e7 without upcoming by Lei with next playing castling. So castle kingside is a next first here. And also knight a4. Okay, so this is a good precise here with Goroshkina without idea by next maneuvers knight to c5. So this is the next move here. And also rook takes captured accepted, queen takes, and also king f7, and also queen c3. So I forgot something. So talk about novelty. So it means no more book lines by king f7. Castling kingside is a old main lines here. So this is a castling is a old main lines by recording by database here. So it means the comments. So where's the novelty here? Without old main lines castling, and king f7 is a new move here. Without king f7 here, so this is a king's Indians here. So no need by this one with castling. Without idea with Lei, so no need by castling. Queen c3 with Goroshkina, and also pawn to h5, good strong move without next by h4 with Lei Yingqi here. And also with pawn to h3, and another strong with Lei is pawn h4, will threatening the bishop here, and hide and seek with Goroshkina bishop h2, queen d7, or maybe by next of this one with rook to maybe by rook to d8 with the queens behind the rooks here. And also knight b6, good move with Goroshkina by next maneuver is knight queens here. So it means without knight threats the queens here. And also queen b5, good move, or maybe with Lei without queens threatening the knights here without counters attacks with targets. And also queen c7, defense of these knights here. Queen takes captured pawn, and also bishop d6, good move. What a strong move with Alexandra Gorshkina. So it means, so cannot captured with bishop captured. So this is a targets with queens with check here. So this is a more of this one with attacks with counters move here. So need more careful for blocks here. And excelente lay is rooks e8 defense of this bishop. Controls the for this one with positional is a good precise here. Rook c1, so does not like of this computer. Gorshkina, bad move. So the one's computer is rook d1. Need more of this one with defense of this one with pawns here. So this is a good advantage for white. So the second example, so it means, so without this, why don't we knights to c8 is a sacrifice here. So this is a good precise here. And also rook captured knight sacrifice here. So it means, so do not captured by queen captured rook, because this is a more of this one with captured the bishop here. So this is a blunder ratios here. So it means if you queen captured bishop with check and also king to g6, so this is a good, slightly better for whites here. Without rook c1, bad move. So the first puzzle, what do you think about one's computer? Grandmaster Lei Ting-chi, brilliant sacrifice, strong with once of this computer. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. What a brilliant sacrifice. King to g6, good move, or maybe by brilliant. So brilliant sacrifice here by kings here. So king g6, brilliant sacrifice, strong move with Grandmaster Lei Ting-chi. So look at the evaluation bar. So this is a highest for blacks here. Because this is a move side with ignorance here, with avoided here with king. So it means, so no need by so no more by this one with captured. If we captured bishop, so it means queen captured here. So this is a more of this one with positional move interesting here. And without more of this one with Gorshkina is bishop captured. Rook takes attacks the queens. Or maybe sacrifice here. Oh, sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice move here. So it means if you live by this one, if you queen captured here by rooks here with check, so this is a traps. Oh, without traps by queen, so this is a traps, because this is a rooks with traps with threatening the queen. So this is a losing for whites here. So this is a very dangerous here. Or maybe without rook captured, threatening the queens. Queen c5, good move, threatening the rooks. King h6. Oh, what a sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice move. So it means if you queen captured rook, why don't we queen captured rook and queen captured rook here? With living by this one with queens behind the rooks, and more by this one with check with kings with queens here. So this is a same by rook to rook here. So it means back there is king h6 with lay, and also pawn a4, defense of knights of pawns, and also a5, good move with lay, excellent. And also knight c8 threatening the rooks, another excellente is rook d7 with lay. What an excellent move here. Queen c3, okay, queen c3 here with challenge here by queen to queen here. Queen d4, another with threatening the queens here, or maybe another threat by challenge by queen to queen. And also queen c5, okay, queen c5 here, and also without queen c5 here. So for example here, why don't we queen captured here? If a queen takes b4, why don't we queen takes accepted, captured, a takes b4. Oh, without captured here, so it means upcoming by promotes by queen. So very dangerous here for whites here. Upcoming by promotes here. So this is a examples. So I think my focusing my brains here. Without idea is queen c5 by Gorshkina here, and also king h7 with lay, and also avoided queen a7 with Gorshkina, and also queen d2 threatening the rooks with check, and go backs with Goreshkina. Bishop d3, another bad move with lay. So this is a below. I think the evolution bar is good. So it means bishop d3, the symbolized here is another bad move here. So the ones computed the best, this one is queen b4, go back, challenged by queen to queen. If you queen, avoided by queen a7, ignorance here. And also with bishop to g6. So this is a good, slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop to d3 with lating g, and also knight b6. What a good precise here by Goreshkina. And also rook d6 here. More of this one with defense. Oh, wait. I forgot something. So it means rook d6. So it means rook d6 here. So it means, so if you queen captured, so this is a more of this one with queen captured here. If you queen captured rook, so it means check. It traps the rooks. I mean traps the queens here. So it means another here by second is queen captured rook, or maybe here by queen captured rook here. So this is a more of this one with solid move with examples. So let's continue rook d6 here with lating g, and with Goreshkina, queen takes captured d6 with rooks. Queen captured rook with check, king h2, and also bishop f5. So this is a good, interesting positional move with lating g here. And also with knight d7, good move. So without Goreshkina, without threatening the pawns, with sacrifice, with check. So this is a sacrifice here. And also with queen to c2, defense of this bishop, knight f8 check. So this is a look at see the below evaluation bar with Goreshkina, so does not like of this computer. So the one's computer, the best move is need more knight captured f6 check sacrifice. So if you captured by sacrifice with knights, and also queen e7 with check, if you king g6 here, and also queen e8 with check, if you king h6 here, and also with queen h8 check, if you bishop blocking here defense, and also with queen captured pawn with check, if you queen decided by challenge by queen to queen, queen captured pawn with check. So this is a good determinations once of this computer. So this is a good slightly better for whites. Without knight f8 check, so that's not like of this computer here. And also king h6, and also f3 Bran X with Goreshkina. What the miss her move? So the best move this one is without knight captured with pawns here. So knight takes e6 here. So it means Goreshkina her miss the knight takes e6 here. If you bishop captured with knights here, and also queen takes captured with bishop, if you queen captured pawns f2 here, and also queen e7, without more of this one with threatening the pawns here, with more of this one with once a positional move. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is without f3. So this is a Bran X move here. And another excellent there is queen to f2. So it means queen f2 here with lating g. By next of this one with countered moves is queen to g3 with challenge by queen to queen. So this is a next move here with lating g. And also queen f4 check. So for example, so why don't we try knight captured here? If you knight captured e6 here, and also with queen to g3 with check. If you queen captured here, we challenge by accepted by queens, and also captured with pawns with check. If you king captured, so it means bishop captured knight. So one piece down here. So it means, so this is a 6 martial pawns here and 5 martial pawns. So this is a easy from this one wins here with whites and blacks. I don't know who was the win here. Without back there, this one is queen f4 check with Goreshkina, another g5 with Excelente with lay, and also go back with queen c7 with Goroshkina. So the second puzzle, what do you think about the sacrifice? Excelente. Once I have this computer, Grandmaster Dating Chi. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Queen g3, excellent sacrifice here with challenge by queen to queen. And accept Goroshkina, queen takes, pawn takes, capture with check, king takes, and also pawn to e5 attacks the pawns here. So this is a more attacks here. And also e4 threatening the bishop, captured, threatening the bishop, bishop c8, what a backwards, another third bad move, many bad move by Lei Tingchi here. So the miss her best is need more captured here. So bishop captured b4. If you capture this pawn, f takes captured, and also knight to d7, threatening the pawns here, and also bishop to c6, threatening the knights. If you knight captured e5, threatening the bishop, and bishop captured e4. So this is a 3 minor pieces by connected 3 pass pawn and 2 connected pass pawn. So this is a goods for blacks here. So back there it is backwards bishop to c8, bad move with Lei, and pawn to d5. Oh my god, Goroshkina, what coming by promotes the this one with queen. So coming by promotes here with Goroshkina. King g7, excellent, threatening the knights. Knight e6 check. King f7 attacks the knights. And also king f2, another excellent. Lei is pawn to b6, g3, and also bishop d7, third good move, threatening the pawns with a4, and also h4 captured. Oh my god, what a wrong move with Lei Tingchi. So this is a brand X move, worst move again. So the branded the miss is bishop captured. What a miss her move by Lei is bishop captured a4. You capture this pawn, captured, and also knight captured here, g5 with check, and king f6. So this is a goods for blacks here. Okay, so back there this one is we capture this pawn. What the worst move with Lei Tingchi, captured. Oh, upcoming by this one, upcoming by promotes the queens here. So this is a upcoming. And also bishop captured. So look at c by Lei. So this is a late move here. And also h5, upcoming by promotes the queens here. Bishop to b5, and also king e3, pawn a4. What a good precise by Lei, upcoming by this one with queens with Lei Tingchi here. And also h6, upcoming by queens with Goroshkina. King g6, so cannot let down. So this is a revenge by Lei without upcoming by threats the pawns, without moving by this one with good pawns. King d2, good move. King captured pawn. So this is a 4 connected pass pawn versus 2 connected pass pawn with whites here. So this is a wins for blacks by Lei. And also d6, upcoming by promotes. And also king h5, knight f8, and also wait, I'm sorry I got wrong. I'm sorry I got forgot. So it means why don't we king to g6? If you king g6 here, and also pawn d7. So if you bishop captured, then the ratios knight to f8 with a check. So it means traps the bishop. So this is a bishop traps here. So it means easy wins for whites here. So it means king h5 with Lei, and also knight f8, king g5, d7, upcoming by promotes the queens, bishop captured, knight takes. So this is a one piece down. Without knights here with Goroshkina, so this is a 4 connected pass pawn. So this is a 4 connected pass pawn. So this is a 4 pawns versus 1 connected pass pawn. So this is easy wins for blacks here with Lei here. And also with pawn a3, upcoming by promotes the queens, king c2 catch, and also d5, king b3 threatening the pawns, and defense b4, and also king a2. So it means with the next go back is king to b3. So this is a go back here. And also f5, threatening the pawns. Knight takes all blunder ratios with Goroshkina. So this symbolizes it is not about bad move blunder ratios here. So the best move is king to b3. What term is with Goroshkina? Go back. So it means if you capture this pawn, we pawn to f takes e4, knight takes captured pawns. If you king to f4 here, threatening the knights, and also knight to c6 here, with threatening the pawns here, and also e3, knight captured with b4, and also e2 upcoming by promotes with queen. So cannot move with kings here. So without upcoming here, so easy wins for blacks here. So it means back there, knight takes captured. What the blunder ratios with Goroshkina here. King f4, good move with lay, threatening the knights. Knight d3 check, king captured pawn. No more pawns here with Goroshkina. Three connected pass pawn with lay. Knight takes captured pawn. f4, another excellent. Knight to a6, f3, knight c5 check, king e3. So this is a upcoming by promotes the queen. So it means resigns by Grandmaster Goroshkina. So it means, so why she resigns? So it means if you king captured, only move here, and also with f4, so cannot move up this one with knight to d3. So it means if you move by this one with knight to b3, so it means upcoming by promotes the queens here. So this is a wins for black. So white is end of this battle, game over here. So it means so Grandmaster Lei Pingqi is a winner here. So after this one with FIDE candidates 2026 in this April, so I will analyze here with throwbacks here between, I will choose up this one game with soon next month of April here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm MarkLogi17 aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.